Hi guys, this is Abigail with the education team, and I have a really fun activity for you guys to do at home today, and that is to build your own tree. Now I'll give you guys a quick example of mine. You guys can see I also drew some flowers in there too. So what I'll do is I'll take you guys through all the materials that you'll need, as well as step by step through the whole process. So what you guys will be using is a piece of paper, some leaves, you can use as many or as little as you want, some colored pencils, crayons, markers, whichever you prefer. Alright, let's go ahead and get started making our own tree.
Step 1. Place the paper down in front of you. Take your pencils, markers, or crayons and draw a trunk of a tree with some branches. And if you want, you can color it in now or wait until your leaves dry. Once you have drawn the trunk of your tree, grab your leaves and glue. Place the glue on the back of your leaves and then put it into the branches. Now you can put how many ever leaves you want on your tree. You can make your tree canopy thin or as full as you'd like. Once all your leaves are on, allow them some time to dry. After your leaves have dried, grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and you can go ahead and color in the trunk of your tree if you haven't done so already. You can also draw things around your tree such as grasses, flowers, birds, and other wildlife.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today in building your own tree. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and we look forward to seeing you soon at the Naples Botanical Garden.